What is up, guys, and welcome back to Induction Noise. And you join us today inside of the Rapster again, and we're back at Rally Sprint, which Neels and the guys always organize for us. Huge shout out to them. Thank you so much for putting on such an awesome event that we all enjoy. But yeah, you will see here we're on our first run of the first stage. Just getting back into stuff and getting used to some rally driving, because we haven't been rally driving for a while. So the first one we were a bit rusty, but we had an eventful day. So have a look at this first run and I'll catch up with you guys once it kind of started getting a little bit interesting.
You're right. Okay. En dan zit er 3 left into 2 left. Hy gaan hier 3 left. Okay, en dan raak dit 2 left. Tighten.
Now, for some of your keen listeners out there, you might have heard a loud clunk there. That was the sound of something breaking off the Rapster. And I was quite concerned, and this kind of threw me off, but as you can see, it didn't really face Andre. We just heard something's broken, and you'll hear even going left specifically. It was quite loud. So we weren't sure what was broken, but we just know something very badly has happened. But that does not stop us from having a good time. So we continued on.
Right and then a 2 left. Right around, right around, right around. Into 2 left. When you talk here, raak, waar moet je het nou?
Right what you see, bro.
Right what you see, bro. Waar fucking nou?
Die fucking kappies hieronder. Kakker.
So yeah, you could kind of hear me and Andre speak, but essentially we're saying this clunking at the bottom of the car is kind of becoming very loud, and we've kind of lost the way. But this part of the pace notes did say drive what you see. So hey, all we did is we drove what we saw. And as you will see us approach the flying finish line of the first stage, and right there we've crossed over it, almost kind of went off, and there's the board to show us this stage is done. Relax and get to the end. But now you'll see that is the exhaust. So the exhaust did fall off, and this is how it sounds.
Me and Andre is busy rallying the Rapster, but Andre, it kind of sounds a bit different. What's happened? So we kind of lost the exhaust, took it off the manifold. Now we're going for stage 2 in the stage 2 Rapster.
So yes, the clunking we heard was the exhaust falling on the drive shafts and making everything feel and sound crazy. So now you could kind of hear me screaming. At this point, Andre couldn't hear me anymore. I had to resort to caveman hand signals now to essentially guide him around stage 2 for the first time. And this was quite a fun stage that I think a lot of the guys enjoyed the most out of the 2 stages that we ran. And at the end of the day, a lot of the guys did this one after the competition as well. So you will see it has a lot more sweeping corners, a lot more pace, and yeah, in the confusion we kind of got a bit lost again, but it's fine. We just kind of jumped over here and continued on. Not our best moment, but enjoy the rest of stage 2 and see what we got up to.
Okay, 250.
So, as you probably heard, the navigation was not the best here, but we got through it, we got to the end of the stage, and you can see us going through the final dip here and around the last sweeping corners, and we will be crossing the flying finish now. But after this, we at least kind of got our bearings back together, and we kind of knew what we needed to do. And here we went back to stage 1, which in this case is stage 3, and stage 2 becomes stage 4. And stage 5 would have been a combination of stage 1 and 2, but that unfortunately didn't happen at the end of the day. Confused it? No? Cool, you're still with us. So you will see we attacked stage 1 quite a bit harder this time, and we really needed to keep our momentum up, because without any back pressure plus a cone filter, we kind of had no torque in the RAV. So lower gears and as much momentum as possible was our friend, and you will see we actually did a bit better in stage 1, actually topping our first time with more than 10 seconds. So I'll shut up and enjoy stage 1.
Left, into 2, left, left, 2, left.
No need to hear what me and Andre said this corner is. Just say it was 2 turns. We called it D and D. So yeah, back to the driving. Back to the driving.
Right. Into 1 left, 1 left, 2 right.
So here we once again coming back to the end of stage 3, and we made it through it this time without breaking anything. You'll see us go past the flying finish here, and once again kind of overshooting this corner. I grabbed the handbrake essentially here before we went off into a ditch. So that's stage 3, and here is the final stage 4, and I'll go completely silent for this one because this one was a blast. Enjoy it. As we're coming in on to the end of the stage, I would just like to give a huge shout out again to Neels and his entire team at Rally Sprint for all, and just say thank you for organizing an event like this. We all really enjoyed it. I know there's a few guys like the Varmwiller guys that said they keen to join us well in the future, and after this we just all had some fun. We went in each other's cars, went 4 deep in the RAV, and it's just an awesome day. And if you can come to one of the events, I highly recommend you do. But until the next time, stay classy, San Diego.